In this video, I'll show you how to change Siri's name on your iPhone. So rather than saying, "Hey Siri," if you want to change this to something else like "Hey David," then we can do that in just a few quick and easy steps. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to General and select Software Update, and just ensure you're running iOS 18 or above. Then we can head back over to the main settings page, and then from here we need to scroll down to Accessibility and select this. Then scroll down again until you see Vocal Shortcuts and select this. Click on Set up Vocal Shortcuts, click on Continue, scroll down to the System tab, and in here you'll see Siri, select this. Enter the command of your new phrase. So rather than saying "Hey Siri," I'm going to change mine to "Hey David." Then click on Go, and all you need to do now is just say your phrase 3 times. So for me, that's going to be "Hey David." Once you've set up your phrase, we can then press Continue. Click on either Share with Apple or Don't Share, this is optional. And now once we say our phrase "Hey David," that's going to go ahead and launch the Siri. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.